Hi everyone, welcome back. I apologise for the soundtrack playing in the background. We've got a bit of a storm going on outside, I think. Right, now this is very different from what I normally do. Been much inspired by lots of sort of wonderful covers and Bohemian journals that I've seen around. So I've made this up using my new kit, Bohemian Secrets. Now, I will admit it is a hardcover, simply because I wasn't brave enough to put wadding or batting, I think some people call it, in between. So I've made a hardcover. It is sari silk, and I've gone around it with I've just gone mad with gold metallic thread, basically. Normal size, so 8 3/4 by 6.5 inch spine. So like I say, sari silk. And the cover, this little fella here, I discovered something called sulky. It's like a dissolvable backing paper that you can, excuse me, draw on and then embroider around. Never used it before. It's wonderful. Love it. So that's the front, and then we have, oops, I'm getting too close, the spine and the back. And like I say, it's all sari silk. So ties are, if we go inside, there's 132 actual proper pages, you know, sort of writing pages. And I've used the Bohemian Secrets DigiKit, this one, and the blue collage kit. So if I move the light a bit, perhaps you can see. There we are. Now, I did wonder about edging the lace in purple, but never actually did that. So we have little note cards. Some old diaries. Book pages. That's the blue collage kit. And we have printed vellum. The centre. 6 signatures altogether, I should have said. We have a belly band there. It's really over the top, this journal. Love letter. I should have, but I think you've probably already gathered that. Very over the top. For me, very over the top. Sometimes you just got to do these things. And the back of the note cards, there's a little dangle on there. Second signature. That's a tag. Note card. Edwardian Ladies Flower Book, I think that one's from. I just love the writing in it. Some music paper. This is out of a sewing book I've got, and I thought this bit seemed quite appropriate. Jacobean embroidery. And the centre, that has to be my favourite image, I think, out of the whole kit. The two girls just dancing. I think that's wonderful. An envelope, that's out the kit. There is a note card inside of that one. And the back of the papers. Another letter. And the third signature. I have a little note card there. I know what I haven't done actually. The ones I haven't used, I haven't clipped in. They will be clipped in after. Another little note. Some printed vellum. Another envelope with a little card inside. I thought a horse and cart was very appropriate for some of these exotic ladies. Or gypsies, actually. That's how he described them. The back of the vellum. A rather in-your-face corner tuck spot. Another little dangle, little sparkly dangle. And where are we? Full signature. So we have another note card in there. This music paper, I was actually having a look at the book and it's like, wow, it's 90 odd years old. Continuing on the theme. The gypsy wagons. Now this is a huge bag. It is empty, although I've done a collage on the front of it. And the centre, and that's the other bag. That's empty as well, with another collage. Trouble is, they get flattened. They look quite sweet when they're up like that. The gypsy pony. I went a bit mad with the love letters on this one. I just thought it seemed to suit. And fourth signature, this one. Another note card or postcard. Tuck spout. A little note card. Oh, a book. I was looking at these book pages I put in. Yeah, it's a book of quotes. Number 5021. In marriage, a man becomes slack and selfish and undergoes a fatty degeneration of his moral being. Wow. Okay. Or how about to marry is to domesticate the recording angel. Once you are married, there is nothing left for you, not even suicide, but to be good. Blimey. This book... They're from an author who died in 1784. He must have had a very unhappy life, is all I can say. Some more gypsies. Printed vellum. And the centre. Another over-the-top tuck spout. Gypsy cards. Ring out the old, ring in the new, ring happy bells across the snow. The year is going, let him go, ring out the false, ring in the true. I know I looked at these and thought, you know what, they do go with quite strong women, which is what I'd sort of thought about this kit when I put it together. It's the last, oh no it's not, that's another little dangle. I know when I was looking at the pictures I thought, I mean that young lady, I've got a 14-year-old version of that. I thought, yeah, they do look quite strong women. Another tuck spots. printed vellum. I knew there was one there. I told you it was colourful. Another over the top corner tuck. Some more quotes. That's in there because I like it. I sometimes think that is the best reason to put something in a book, because you like it. That's those two little girls on the beach. Another little letter. Yeah, it was the colours that I liked on that. And that's the last of the dangles, that one there. Can't really see it, the light's starting to go. I think we're in for another downpour. Some more of the printed vellum, quite a deep tuck spot with another typed letter this time. And the back page. There we go. Oops. I will be listing this for sale. I will put links below. Yeah, very different. Very enjoyable actually doing this. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out and did wonder if I'd just completely trashed the whole cover. But that's actually worked really well. Don't know if I'd make another one, but thoroughly enjoyed it. Well, thanks very much for watching and take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.